What's going on, everybody? So today I want to talk about something that rarely ever gets discussed, and that's exfoliating your scalp. So you exfoliate your feet, your elbows, your face, your skin, everywhere else in your body. Your skin is your largest organ. If you really care about your hair, you would protect the skin that the hair comes out of. So when you exfoliate, you're getting rid of all the dirt, the buildup, the root touch-up that you do, the spray touch-up I'm talking about, any kind of dry shampoo you have in your hair. That stuff layers into your hair. And what begins to happen is if you're going 2, 3, 4 days, even 5 days between shampoos, you got to understand that one shampoo is not going to be enough. Even 2 shampoos sometimes is not enough. So like once a month, if you're the type of person that likes to go a couple days in between shampoos, you're going to want to exfoliate your scalp. Now, Kuhn So Pure has a great scalp exfoliant. A lot of brands have really good scalp exfoliants, so it doesn't really matter which one you're using, honestly, as long as you're using one. I happen to like Kuhn So Pure. It's a very clean product. It doesn't strip your natural oils out of the hair, and it still leaves your hair feeling soft without making it feel a little dry or gritty. Now, the proper way to exfoliate your scalp, you're going to use your fingertips. You're going to want to shampoo your hair first. Get a really good lather going. Rinse all that out. You could even put conditioner under mid-shaft and ends. This way, it's easier for kind of work through your hair. If you think of the way you would exfoliate your face in circles, right? You're gonna want to work that exfoliant everywhere first. So if you put the size of like a quarter on your hand, work it into your palms, then begin to work it underneath your hair. Start from the back. If you think about where you put dry shampoo the most, it's going to be on your part and up here. So you're going to want to take a little bit of extra of that scalp exfoliant and just start in that spot. Really working it off. Working in nice even strokes throughout your hair, and then start working in circles. If you can alternate between front and back, and then circles, you're going to be able to hit all the surface of your scalp. The reason why this is really important, a lot of the products start to clog your hair follicle. So if you're experiencing any kind of hair thinning, or your hair just doesn't feel as strong anymore, it could be a multitude of reasons. But if your follicle is getting clogged, that means your hair strand doesn't really have enough room to fully develop and fully grow. So it's really important that you exfoliate your scalp. Now, if you want to actually give yourself a scalp massage to stimulate some of that blood flow, that's awesome. You can do that too when you're done. They make a nice oil, any kind of coconut oil like the Apira coconut oil that we have, or any kind of hair serum. Moroccan oil works really well. If you want to use that to massage into your scalp and then just do a quick light shampoo when you're done, that way you don't have like a really big oil buildup on your scalp. That is more than fine if you're the type of person that has really dry hair anyway, just to kind of keep that moisture in your hair. If you are neglecting your scalp and you have any kind of issues going on with your scalp, it could be dandruff, it could be thinning of the hair, you're going to want to maybe try a scalp exfoliant. All right, guys, so any question or comments, leave them in the comment box below. You can find me on Instagram. I'm at Nick Mirabella. If you're watching this on Instagram, make sure you head over to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of content on there. It's at thewarehouse.salon on YouTube. And if you want to shoot me a DM on Instagram, please go ahead at Nick Mirabella, like I said, or if an email is better for you, Nick at thewarehouse.salon. All right, guys, I will talk to you next time. Let me know if you try that product, the Kuhn So Pure Scalp Exfoliant. Let me know what you think of it, or any exfoliant for that matter. And I will see you guys next time. All right, bye.